Boom! That was the sound of a star exploding. Or at least it would be if sound traveled in space. Supernovas are brilliant explosions that are caused by the density and gravity of a star overcoming its mass and exploding after first imploding. Supernovas create a whole bunch of elements, everything from cobalt on. The rest are formed in stars through the wonderful force of fusion. Fusion is like forcing two magnets together and expecting them to stick. It takes a lot of force to accomplish, and they still want to break apart. Fusion, according to ccfe.uc.uk, is the process that provides the energy powering the sun and other stars. This is because forcing two positively charged things together and expecting them to stick requires overcoming the electromagnetic force keeping them apart. Fun fact, fusion releases 1 times 10 to the 7th more energy than a chemical reaction, like combustion. Our sun is a yellow star, meaning it fuses hydrogen into helium. Helios.gsfc.nasa.gov describes the sun's energy as originating from the nuclear fusion of hydrogen into helium. All the energy we need to survive comes from fusion. Stars have a natural life cycle, like people. They start as nebulas, large gaseous clouds floating around in space, and condense into small stars. These smaller stars condense through fusion further and further to form larger and larger stars until there is way too much pressure and the star either explodes as a supernova or becomes a black hole. The cycle continues, and that supernovas create massive amounts of new elements and throw them out all over the universe to form new nebulas and more stars. Sometimes elements condense and form planetoids and eventually the planets themselves. Our bodies are made of remnants of stars and massive explosions in galaxies, states author Simon Worrall in National Geographic, how 40,000 tons of cosmic dust falling to Earth affects you and me, meaning everything we know is made of star stuff, which is actually really cool. Now, why is fusion important? If we play our cards right, fusion can be used to generate massive amounts of renewable energy. We won't have to worry about any other power source ever. One fusion reaction will power your city non-stop for at least a month. So, because Thanksgiving has come and gone, say a quiet thank you to the stars for not only powering your world, but creating everything you're made out of. From your hair to your fingernails to even the screen you're viewing this on. It all comes from star stuff.